This is today's wig that we're working with. This is a 13x4 transparent lace wig. Okay, lace front wig, and it's 24 inches long. It's body wave, as you can see. It's of a natural color. It's so nice and bouncy and full. I love that. The luster looks really nice as well. You know, the lace, it looks like a medium brown transparent lace. It's a 13x4, as I mentioned before. Inside looks like this. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside and adjustable. Sorry about that, guys, about it going out of focus, but it does have adjustable straps in the back, and front of it is lightly plucked. That's how the front looks, and it looks good. It feels good. It's really nice and soft. I love that. Love that. So now that I got into the wig and I show you what we're working with, let's go ahead and get into installing it. Guys, oh my gosh, I haven't added any extra curls. Oh my gosh, this is body waves that came in the wig. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm just doing like a flip over thing. I love the volume, the body. Look at that. The hairline looks good. It looks very realistic. You see that? I love this. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, because Nadula is giving. They are giving. Okay? I'm going to be sure to drop. So yeah, I thought I'd have to go in and like recurl, but the waves on this look really good. Very pleased. If you're looking for a really nice full body wave wig, I'd highly recommend this one. It is giving. So I'm going to be sure to drop the details on this wig in my description box. Also, the direct link to this wig will be listed, so check out my description box as usual for all of that. And shout out to Nadula Wig once more. That's it for today's wig look. It was pretty much, you know, straightforward and to the point. You know, it's really gorgeous. So yeah, it's a vibe. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.